Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, where passion meets performance and every vehicle gets the spotlight it truly deserves. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our detailed reviews and exciting automotive updates. Today we are diving deep into something truly special, the 2026 Mazda RV Motorhome. A creation that blends Mazda's sporty soul with the freedom of a home on wheels. This is not just a motorhome. This is a bold statement of what travel and adventure should feel like in the future. That's the first thing you notice when you look at the 2026 Mazda RV Motorhome is its design language. Mazda has carried over the famous Kodo design philosophy and stretched it into a large body without losing that flowing elegance. The front grille is sculpted with chrome touches and a sleek LED headlight signature that immediately tells you, this is a Mazda. The aerodynamic curves are not just for looks. They cut through the wind with efficiency, giving this motorhome better fuel economy and stability than most of its rivals. From a distance, it looks like a luxury SUV merged with a futuristic coach, and the result is stunning. Step inside, and you are greeted with an interior that feels like a Mazda luxury sedan, but with a whole new level of space. The driver cockpit carries a clean, minimalist dashboard, a wide touchscreen infotainment system, and Mazda's intuitive rotary controller that makes navigation effortless. Premium materials like soft Nappa leather, brushed aluminum trims, and real wood inserts surround you, giving you the feeling that this is not just a motorhome but a premium travel lounge on wheels. The panoramic windshield and large side windows flood the cabin with light, creating an open, airy vibe even before you explore the living area. The living space in the 2026 Mazda RV Motorhome is crafted with clever modular design. There is a lounge area with two rotating captain chairs and a fold-out sofa that converts into a queen-size bed. A retractable smart TV slides out from a panel, giving you entertainment wherever you park. The kitchen area is compact but fully equipped, featuring an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets with soft close hinges. Mazda even integrated voice-activated controls for lighting and climate, so you can set the mood with a simple command. Moving to the rear, you will find a private sleeping cabin with a memory foam mattress, under-bed storage, and ambient lighting. That makes nights on the road feel like a stay in a boutique hotel. The bathroom is designed with a sliding door to save space, a rainfall shower head, and a ceramic sink, all finished with chrome fixtures that look more like something out of a high-end spa than a typical RV. Every inch of this motorhome has been thought through with precision and attention to detail. On the road, the 2026 Mazda RV Motorhome surprises you with how well it drives. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter Skyactiv turbocharged engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering over 310 horsepower and impressive torque. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth, and the chassis uses adaptive suspension to soak up bumps while keeping the body stable. Driving this motorhome feels nothing like wrestling a big vehicle. Instead, it feels nimble, confident, and almost sporty. The steering feedback is precise, and Mazda has integrated its iActive all-wheel drive system to handle any terrain you want to explore. Safety is another strong point. Mazda has equipped this motorhome with its latest iActive Sense suite. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and even a trailer sway control system for added confidence. Whether you are cruising on the highway or navigating narrow mountain roads, you feel secure and in control. Fuel efficiency for such a large motorhome is impressive, thanks to the hybrid system and lightweight materials in the construction. 2026 Mazda RV Motorhome manages better mileage than most in its class, reducing those long-distance travel costs and making eco-conscious journeys more possible. In the world of motorhomes, where comfort often compromises style or driving pleasure, Mazda has achieved something remarkable. They have created a vehicle that lets you travel with the soul of a driver while living with the comfort of a modern apartment. It is a true fusion of engineering and art, and it represents where the future of motorhomes is headed. If you are looking for a motorhome that stands out in design, drives like a dream, and pampers you with luxury on the road, the 2026 Mazda RV motorhome should be on top of your list. That is all for today from Ride Ready Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Mazda's latest creation, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who love travel and adventure, and make sure you subscribe for more exciting automotive stories. Until next time, drive safe, travel far, and stay ride ready.